Industrial style furniture holds a unique place in the modern design landscape. Its rugged yet refined aesthetic captures the essence of contemporary urban living, appealing to a distinct audience that values a balance of form and function. This demographic often comprises urban professionals, creative individuals, and design conscious homeowners who prioritize a blend of durability, authenticity, and style. Millennials and Gen Z are particularly drawn to the raw and polished charm of industrial design, with its emphasis on natural materials such as wood and metal, paired with sleek minimalist forms. These design elements align seamlessly with their lifestyles, characterized by an appreciation for simplicity, sustainability, and creative expression. Industrial furniture offers solutions for the challenges of urban living. Space constraints in metropolitan areas demand compact, multi-purpose designs, and industrial furniture delivers. Pieces like modular sofas or foldable tables cater directly to those who value functionality without compromising on style. The demographic attracted to these designs often embraces a fast-paced, dynamic lifestyle, making adaptable and durable furniture an essential component of their living spaces. The focus on multi-purpose solutions speaks directly to a practical mindset, one that prioritizes value and versatility. Income levels vary among industrial furniture enthusiasts. Some prefer budget-friendly, mass-produced options that mimic the aesthetic of high-end designs, while others seek exclusivity and sophistication through custom-made pieces. For the latter group, furniture serves as a statement of individuality and taste. These consumers often value bespoke designs crafted with care, appreciating the uniqueness of pieces made from reclaimed materials or featuring artisanal details. In a market saturated with generic options, industrial furniture that tells a story stands out. Eco-conscious consumers are particularly drawn to such offerings, seeing sustainability not only as a value but also as a lifestyle choice. Current trends in industrial furniture design have shifted towards incorporating softer, more organic elements. This evolution reflects the desire for spaces that balance the rugged strength of industrial materials with the warmth and comfort of contemporary interiors. For instance, pairing a steel frame sofa with plush leather or velvet cushions creates a harmonious blend of textures. Natural fibers and reclaimed wood can be integrated to add depth and balance. These combinations transform industrial furniture into a medium for creating spaces that are as inviting as they are stylish. Modular furniture is redefining the industrial design space, responding to the increasing demand for flexibility. Industrial modular sofas with detachable components or adjustable features cater to the needs of a younger audience that frequently reconfigures their living arrangements. The ability to adapt furniture to different spaces or uses enhances its appeal, particularly for urban dwellers or those living in multifunctional homes. Offering modular designs also aligns with the broader consumer shift toward furniture that accommodate diverse needs and preferences. Customization has become a powerful trend in industrial furniture design, providing consumers with the ability to make their furniture truly their own. Allowing choices in finishes, dimensions, and materials enable buyers to tailor their furniture to their specific tastes and spaces. Options like powder-coated frames in matte black or brushed metallics, upholstery in vibrant recycled fabrics or muted leathers, and customizable armrests or legs add a layer of personalization that elevates the user's experience. This trend speaks directly to an audience that values individuality, turning each piece of furniture into a unique expression of the owner's style and personality. Sustainability is at the forefront of industrial furniture design. Consumers increasingly seek pieces made from reclaimed or recycled materials, recognizing the environmental benefits and the stories embedded in such creations. Salvaged wood from old buildings, repurposed metal from machinery, and textiles created from recycled materials all carry a narrative that resonates with eco-conscious buyers. Highlighting these sustainable practices through storytelling and transparent communication further reinforces the authenticity of the design. The emphasis on minimizing waste and reducing environmental impact positions industrial furniture as both stylish and responsible. Differentiating your own industrial sofa designs requires addressing unmet needs and introducing innovative features. While many industrial sofas prioritize aesthetics, there is an opportunity to integrate functionality and comfort without compromising style. Ergonomic features such as lumbar support, contour seating, or adjustable armrests enhances usability and appeal to a wider audience. Incorporating these features into industrial designs ensures that the furniture meets both practical and aesthetic needs. Customer feedback plays a critical role in refining and promoting your designs. Encouraging users to share their experiences through testimonials or social media posts build trust and credibility. Real-life applications of your furniture, shared by satisfied customers, provide authentic endorsement that resonate with potential buyers. Incentives like discounts, contests, or exclusive previews can further encourage user engagement and expand your brand's reach. Pricing strategy is another critical consideration. A tiered approach offering entry-level designs alongside premium, customizable options ensures accessibility while preserving the prestige of your brand. Clearly communicating the value of each tier, whether through material quality, design complexity, or unique features, helps customers understand their options and make informed decisions. This transparency builds trust and encourages long-term loyalty. Marketing efforts should emphasize storytelling and the unique qualities of your designs. High-quality visuals showcasing your sofas in style environment can inspire potential buyers and help them envision your pieces in their own homes. Sharing behind the scenes glimpse of the design and production process reinforces the authenticity and craftsmanship behind your brand. Engaging content such as videos, blogs, or social media campaigns can create an emotional connection with your audience, turning your furniture into more than just functional pieces. It becomes part of their story. Thank you for tuning in. If this video lighted a spark of creativity or gave your project the edge they deserve, don't let the inspiration stop here. Hit the like button, share this with others who get it, and subscribe to join the community that thrives on innovation. Don't forget to tap the notification bell because being ahead of the curve means catching the latest ideas as they drop. See you in the next video.